In today's video, I'll guide you on how to download TikTok in the USA even after the ban. Yes, you heard that right. If TikTok is no longer available in your region, don't worry, I've got an easy solution for you. I've personally tested this method, and it works perfectly. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. If you're in the USA and struggling to get TikTok, follow these simple steps. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Once you've done that, keep watching this video because I'm about to show you the easiest way to download TikTok after the ban. Now here's what you need to do. Head to the description below. I've provided a link there for you. Click on the link, follow the instructions, complete the quick human verification, and you'll be able to download TikTok without any issues. It's that simple. Everyone watching this right now, go to the comments section, find the pinned link, and get TikTok on your device hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video.